Hey you guys, so it is 8:32. Looks like it rained out this morning. I don't know if it's supposed to rain throughout the day. I have no idea. We have a friend coming over for a play date. Charlotte's being grumpy all of a sudden this morning. But I just woke up last night and I could not fall asleep for like almost 2 hours.
And I slept all night long.
And Ben slept all night long. But Charlotte did not sleep all night long. She just wants to be on camera, but I did not sleep all night long, and I ended up watching some ASMR videos for like 2 hours because those videos really relax me. There's 3 people that I watch. One's a hairstylist, and then 2 other people are just what are you doing? Seeing how much you can stick your tongue out? So that's what I needed. I just had like a stressed out day yesterday. So yeah, we got that going on. But today, I'm gonna edit one of my videos. I have a cup that I was making for somebody, and I said I would get it done before her vacation. Well, I had to order more jewels for it, and they still are not here. And she's apparently going on vacation tomorrow, so it's like I need to finish her cup, and I hope those jewels come in the mail today so I can give it to her today before she gets done with work, so then she can just come here when she's done with work. Those cups are supposed to sit for a week without being touched or without like being washed, but then like if they pop off, I'll just glue them for her. So it's just like, oh, so I'm gonna work on it a little bit more today, and then hopefully our mail comes on time and I can get it done. So but yeah, I have to get that done hopefully before we have our play date. I gotta find out from my friend when we're gonna have the play date. Gran went to bed. Gran went to work early. What?
What am I doing? Going on vacation?
No.
When?
Daddy's co-worker.
Oh.
He doesn't have clothes on. So that's what's going on. But today, yeah. Yep, I have some stuff that bothers me right now, but I'm not going to say it for certain reasons. Yeah, because this vlog was mostly for me to express my feelings, everything that I feel when I go through a day. That's why I call it my day, whatever. Because, you know, this stuff is my therapy, but now I have to kind of watch what I say, because I could offend people. So even though, you know, I really just like expressing my feelings, like this is my therapy, but now I can't. So that's what's going on. I'm just upset about it, and I'm never gonna talk about it again. So we got that going on. But it's 8:35 I think now. I'm gonna start just working on that cup a little bit, get the kids some breakfast, get dressed eventually, and wait for my friend to let me know what time they're gonna come over. And I'll see you guys all later. Hey you guys, so the time is now currently 11:42. I just got off the phone with my mom. So I was talking about, you know, with Gran, possibly me just going to visit my parents' house. I'm totally cool with taking the kids with me.
Grandpa?
Yeah. I was just totally cool with taking the kids with me just because it's kind of like a mini vacation. So, sorry, I'm starting to watch the movie that I couldn't finish yesterday. So, my brother currently lives in Arkansas, and he was going to come down on vacation for 2 weeks coming up, I think next week. And
they told me 3 things to go to our house.
I don't know. And he wanted to come down for the day to visit us, maybe spend the night, which is totally fine. But he has a big dog, and we like the dog. We are just not dog people, especially, you know, inside the house. It's a big dog. And because he's still a puppy, so he likes to chew on a lot of stuff, so I just don't want him to do that. But
where's he gonna sleep?
I don't know yet, honey. So I called my mom telling her, like, I was thinking of coming down, and then I'm like, that's right, my brother's taking a vacation, and he'll be home for like 2 weeks, and then my stepdad's taking a vacation in one of those 2 weeks also. So I am probably gonna go.
And we're gonna see Grandma Jillian.
Yeah. And I'm probably gonna go visit my family when both of my stepdad and my brother are at home, just because then I can spend some time with my family. Because like my brother, Ben, get off of that, get off that, get off that. I haven't seen my brother since Charlotte was born, which was a year ago is when we saw my brother last. And I haven't seen my stepdad, I don't think, since Christmas. He's a truck driver. He's been wanting to like stop and we say hi to him usually, but this time
Grandpa Jeff.
yeah, but this time we just haven't had it because every time he's nearby, Charlotte's sleeping and I just don't like interrupting that. So I'm gonna talk to Graham about it, but it's kind of like a mini vacation for me. Like, we won't be doing much. We'll be just sitting at my parents' house, and I will be bringing my crafts with me. I'll probably bring some movies with me. You know, just for me to sit and relax at my mom's house. You know, I will definitely, you know, make some meals with my mom. So I might, like, you know, make some food meals with my mom because she's always willing to try that stuff. And yeah, so I just need it. It's like a vacation for me, even though I'm just gonna be sitting at my parents' house. We're not gonna do much. Her area has gotten into like the red area, but it's not like we're going anywhere. We're just gonna be staying at my parents' house. But I just need this. I need to get the heck out of this area. I need, Ben, stop. I need to, you know, not be stressed out. I just need to get away. And Graham has nothing to do with it. Graham's sometimes okay with me going because it's like his little vacation too. But my parents have a hot tub and I really, really want to go in the hot tub. I just need something to relax in. So that's what I'm going to do. You know, and we'll probably see my other brother, Brandon. So that's awesome. Like, just spending time with my family who I hardly ever get to see because they live far away. So it's nice to see family that lives far away every once in a while. So that's what's going on in my life. I got some stuff on my mind right now that is just really bothering me, and I'm not going to discuss it. If you guys follow me on Facebook, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I will talk to you guys all later. And I'm gonna finish watching this movie and have some lunch. So it is now 3:57. I called one of my friends today. I was on the phone with her for over an hour. She was gonna come over today for a play date and help me get some stuff done, but the weather is just, yeah, it's dark and gloomy. It kind of sprinkles here and there, so it would have not been a great day for the kids to play. And then she had to work overnight last night, which was fine. And she kind of woke up late, but I said Grandma gets done with work early, so we just decided we're gonna hang out twice next week. But we talked about a lot of stuff, and you know, I feel a whole lot better talking to her because she knows exactly what I am going through, and she proved a lot of points. So yeah, but I finally finished the cup that the person wanted. So she wanted a Disney cup. And I started doing like the big Mickeys, and then I kind of did not like it, and I kind of had to walk away because I'm like, I don't like it. I envisioned something totally different in my head, and then when I get it made, it doesn't turn out the way I wanted it. And then she wanted to do the Mickey face. I can do Mickey, but for copyright reasons I'm not supposed to, but you know, I can. But you know, I'm not in it to make a huge profit. I just basically get my money. I just charge basically on how much my supplies are, and what I pay for certain things is basically what I do. But she wanted Mickey, and she's going on vacation tomorrow, so she wanted to have these cups for her tomorrow. So I got her that, or she wanted that one, and then she also wanted a confetti cup with her name on it, and then the Disney logo, so that turned out really cute. And she also wanted a jeweled cup. You have to let these sit for a week before you can like actually do stuff with them. I said she could do it, but as long as she tries to keep the jewels, you know, not wet until they're fully dry. But I like how the Mickey turned out. I really love it. It like just really shines. I am gonna make some cups with purple. And then she wanted her name. I wish I made her name a little bit bigger, but you know what? I am still learning. It takes a little bit to get used to everything, but I love it. She loves exactly how it is. So I will see if when she comes and picks it up either tomorrow or today she'll pick it up. But yeah, I am working on a gift for my mother. So that is keeping me. When I was talking to my friend, you know, I don't know. When I was talking to my friend, I just kind of got a little upset. Not with her, but just with what we were talking about. Hold on, honey. Hold on. So she got a little upset. And what are you clicking on, Ben?
Yes, sir.
There you go. So I was just like, you know, blinging, and that relaxed me so much. So I have a video that I need to post, so I'll probably post it tomorrow, of certain things. I'm still working on the bling video, but that's gonna take me another week to finish that. But yeah, that's just how my day's going. Graham's gonna be home in a half an hour. I'm gonna make a HelloFresh meal. I did do an unboxing video, I just haven't posted it yet. I'll post that in the next day or so. So we got that. I'm going to make silky Sicilian penne with tossed zucchini, mushrooms, tomatoes, and a cream sauce. So pretty excited to make that. Charlotte's taking a nap. She should probably be up any time now. I mean, I think I put her down about a half an hour ago. I don't know. But I've been picking up, and then I've been picking up, and then I've been picking up. It's just a lost cause. So I've kind of given up on picking up today, but I want to see if Graham will let me go to town today or tomorrow because I have Kohl's cash that's expiring. I have to go to Menards to get some PVC for the projects that I want to work on, and just a whole bunch of other stuff that I want to do, but we will see. I don't know what the weather's going to bring us tomorrow, but I'm just having a nice, relaxing day, a truly relaxing, needed day. You know, Ben and I told him this morning, you know, I gave him a big hug, we snuggled together. I said, Benjamin, I love you. I love you to death. He's my first baby boy. He's the one who had me become a mom. I says, you just need to relax, you know, just need to relax and give me some space and stuff. So, my little macho man. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna kind of just pick up a little bit. Charlotte's at that age where she just destroys everything. So I'm gonna pick up after her. I'm gonna turn a movie on to just kind of watch while I'm cleaning up, and then probably in about 10 minutes I'm gonna start making Graham's food. So I will catch you guys back in a little bit. Hey you guys, so it is 7:37, about right after Graham got home. I made dinner and it got like super dark outside. It was just a nasty storm, and then now the sun is out. It feels like it's a brand new day. So I was outside playing with Ben a second ago. I was throwing stuff over the roof and then having him get it on the other side of the house. So that was fun. But right now I told Graham I had to go inside to get a hair twisty, and I'm cleaning up like crazy right now. I'm just gonna pick up a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so I'm working on my cup that I was working on. I just have to I have to stop and go because otherwise it gets too wet. But that is what I'm currently doing right now, is getting everything all picked up. Yeah, so I talked to Graham. I told him I'm gonna go visit my parents in about 2 weeks. So I might even go on a Sunday. No, I'll go probably the next day. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I just said I need to get a break, and he's like, yeah, that's fine. So I have to figure out what I'm gonna do while I'm at my mom's house. I'll definitely bring some craft stuff with me and just kind of get some stuff done, and bring some puzzles so my mom and I can work on some puzzles. But it'll be so nice to take a little break from constantly picking up at this house, because yeah, it's crazy. So that is what's going on today. Yeah, that's all I can say. But here comes Graham, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.